What up guys, it is Hay here, bringing you a few 15 pack opening, and hopefully we can get IBRA or Ronaldo. Yeah, and plus, might be doing a brief or maybe on Advanced Warfare, but I'm not too sure yet. I'm not sure I'll be able to get it done, but yeah, hopefully I can. Anyway, let's get right into it. Oh, I tried to disconnect it. Wow, I'm sorry for that. Oh, come on, bang. Oh my god, jeez. Come on. Shama, great area. Bloody hell. I'm not using them £15, but they think 300 multiple ones so crap. I'm a bad guy. £15. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Shikawi, that's not too bad, but I'm going to go for it. Okay, Shabby. Base got IBRA there, go. Oh shit. I know that crap. Oh, bang. Nope, okay. Wow, shotgun. Come on, load up. Howard, come on, Howard. Bang. Oh, oh crap, I thought that was. Okay, I didn't know who I thought that was. Still. That doesn't do that. No. Oh my god. Oh, I don't have enough for anyway, but still. Oh, bang. I swear I've had like, I think I've had 2 or 3 involved on this season. That's just so bad. Oh, kind of bad. Oh. Bang! Oh, wow, Jesus. I imagine that too bad, but still. No good there. Oh, imagine if I get. Oh, very good. IBRA! IBRA! Damn it. Wow, come on. What about that? Cheat! Moose, that is OP. Happy with that. What kit? Yeah. Kit? Ooh, that looks really nice. I'm actually going to put that on. I already have it. Oh, why would I have to do that? Come on. 2 decent packs now. Bang! Oh, jeez! Shikawi again! Oh, the chances of that! Last pack, guys. Bang! Wow! Damn it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and bye!